I made $250,000 in commissions promoting an online offer not too long ago, which was absolutely incredible. And I blew it all on sweets and a brand new car. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It's Adeel Chowdhry here, the 8-figure entrepreneur behind many smash hits like Scribble, Presenter, and Recoverly, some of which you may have even bought yourself. But I decided that it's time for me to start giving back to beginner entrepreneurs who are just like me when I first got started over 15 years ago. And how better to do that than by giving you 3 side hustles that you can start today in order to start making $100 a day. And we're talking about every single day. And make sure that you watch until the very end, because I'm going to be sharing a super ninja way for you to learn any of these skills in just a few days and how to get your first paying gig fast, even if you have 0 experience or any previous results. But first, I want to share a bit of mindset stuff, because almost all beginner entrepreneurs, including myself, when I first got started, are incredibly dumb. You might think that you're smart, but if you were, you'd be rich already. Now, this isn't your fault. I blame your mum and dad.
Get a good job.
And a lifetime in school. All of these people have probably filled your brain with cotton candy and about how hard it is to make a lot of money. Because I hate to break it to you, $100 a day is not even a big goal. Anyone with an IQ above room temperature could easily get to $100 a day, no problemo. But first, you need to toss away the idea that making money online is difficult, or else it really will be impossible. Done it? Great! Let's get into the first side hustle. So the first method is going to be video editing. This could be editing shorts, YouTube videos, whatever. There's a massive demand for good editors right now. And if you're good, well, you're never going to struggle for work again. The biggest thing to remember with video editing is that the easiest way to get paid more is to work with people who can afford more. Depending on how you position yourself as an editor, you can make $5 an hour or even $500. Potentially even more. And it all depends on who you decide to work with. Now, on to the next method, which is going to be freelance writing. This could be copywriting, content writing, script writing, blog writing, sales copy, articles, or anything else. The main thing here is to focus on what has the highest demand. ChatGPT may have decimated a lot of entry-level writing jobs, but there are still people who want to hire skilled human writers. Go onto Upwork and you will find hundreds of jobs with people specifically asking for non-AI written content. So this is still a great opportunity. At the start, just do whatever kind of writing gets you paid. If they ask if you could write X, just say yes and figure it out later. And as you progress, you can specialize in certain writing areas that you actually enjoy and get paid very well for it. Trust me on this. The final method, and my personal favorite, is affiliate marketing. This was the exact method that made me my first dollar on the internet, and just a little while after starting, I was doing close to 6 figures in commissions in a single month. Vendors will pay you 50% commissions on every sale that you generate, so sales can add up really fast. All you need to do is to sign up to a network like ClickBank or JVZoo and pick any product to promote, get your affiliate link, and start getting traffic to it. If you find a good converting product with the right traffic, you will be making money in no time. I made $250,000 in commissions promoting an online offer not too long ago, which was absolutely incredible. And I blew it all on sweets and a brand new car. Now, as promised, here's my super ninja method of learning things fast and acquiring paying clients. What you're going to do is just search on YouTube for whatever it is that you want to learn. like how to edit shorts or something like that. Then watch the first 20 videos with a notepad so that you can start writing down any questions that come into your mind. After you've finished, watch 3 videos on each of the questions that you had. This should give you the basics to start going out there and practicing. And what's the best way to start practicing? Ideally, while being paid. Now, it's unlikely that you're going to get paying clients if you have 0 experience. I mean, it's possible, but it's just going to take a little bit longer. Instead, what you're going to do is to reach out to people and offer to do that thing that you've learned for free. Yes, for free. This could mean that you go and make a free video short for them. You make it while getting in that extra bit of practice with a decent shot at landing a paying gig afterwards and long-term business with them. It's as simple as that. All right, guys, so that wraps up this video. I'm so glad that we were able to bond in this video. I already feel so much closer to you already. If you want more real content that reveals how to make money online like this, then go down and click the subscribe button and click that damn notification bell, because as soon as you do, $1 million will automatically be deposited into your bank account and a little unicorn will arrive at your front door. Okay, now that might probably not happen, but you'll get to see my new videos whenever I feel like posting them. And if you've got something that you want me to cover, then leave a comment down below. And if it's a good idea, then maybe I'll cover it. All right, guys, until next time, goodbye.